Good morning, my dear students. Today we shall start with the functions of money of the first module. As money is a generally accepted, recognized, and centralized medium of exchange in an economy that is used to facilitate transaction trade for goods and services. The use of money eliminates issues from the double coincidence of wants that can occur in bartering. Economically, each government has its own money system defined and monitored by a central authority. As today, we shall discuss the functions of money, which has been divided into three categories. First, that is A, primary function. Second, B, that is secondary function. C, that is contingent function. So, my dear student, we shall know each of the functions of the money. Yes, my dear student, let us continue the functions of money. In the previous video, I had told about the functions of money. As in the modern times, money performs a number of functions. These functions are broadly classified into three categories, that is primary functions, secondary functions and contingent function. So, very first let us know what is this primary functions. Here primary functions of money include the most important function of money. And this primary of functions is divided into two again, that is medium of exchange and measure of value here. Let us know what is the medium of exchange here. It means that money can be used to make payments for all the transactions of goods and services. A buyer can buy goods through money and a seller can sell goods for money. It is an essential function of money. Then let us know what is this measure of value here. Money serves as a measure of value. The value of all goods and services is expressed in terms of money. Now we shall know the second one, that is a B, secondary functions. Yes, my dear students, we shall know the second one, that is secondary functions of money. Secondary functions of money is also divided into three. 1. Standard of deferred payments. 2. Store of value. 3. Transfer of value. So now dear students, let us know what is this deferred payments here. Deferred payment means that money acts as a standard for making future payments. It has made deferred payments much easier than before. Example, when we borrow money from somebody, we have to return both the principal as well as the interest amount in the future. This function has facilitated borrowing and lending. It has also led to the creation of financial institutions. Now second one, store of value. A store of value implies a store of wealth. Money can be easily stored for future use. It is the most convenient and economical means to store earnings and wealth. Third, that is transfer of value. Money also serves for transfer of value. It facilitates buying and selling of goods not only in the domestic country but also in the other parts of the world. So, dear student, this is about the secondary functions. Now let us know the last one, that is third, contingent functions. Yes, students, we shall know the last one, that is a contingent functions of money. Contingent function refers to the incidental functions of money. Main contingent functions are given below, that is, first one, distribution of income, that is a national income, basis of credit creation. The third one, maximization of satisfaction. Now let us know what this contingent function is related with the distribution of national income. Money helps in optimum distribution of national income among different factors of production. Example, the factors of production like land, labor, capital and organization. Okay, and these factors of production generates factor incomes like rent, land in the form of rent, interest, there is a capital, wage, there is a labor, and profit, organization, where the organization gets the profit. The second one is a basis of credit creation. Credit creation by commercial banks is not possible without money, because the RBI has given the authority to the commercial banks for lending the loans and also creating credit. Money has a store of value, has encouraged savings by people in the form of demand deposits in the banks, which are used by the commercial banks to create credit. The third one is maximization of satisfaction. Money helps the consumers and producers in maximizing their satisfaction by measuring the value of everything in terms of money. A consumer derives maximum satisfaction by equating the price of each commodity with its marginal utility. Similarly, a producer maximizes satisfaction by equating the marginal productivity of a factor with price of such factors. So my dear student, these three categories we have understood. There is a primary function, secondary function and contingent function. How these three functions are related with sub functions which combines with the functions of money. And also this is one of the important question in the first module, like explain the functions of money. So in the next class